Hello kids, do you know about domestic animals? Today I will tell you about some domestic animal which you can keep at your home. Let's start. Sheep, goat, dog, cat, rooster, hen, cow, ox, horse, camel, and the last one is rabbit. Which of these animals do you have in your home? You must tell us in comment section. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.